Ladies and gentlemen, our last two jumpers have exited the aircraft.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise if able and remove your hats to honor America and those who support our freedom at home and abroad. Active duty and veterans are welcome to salute. Look above you at Show Center. Okay, and now, please join in the singing of our national anthem. Here from Camarillo, one of our own residents, and she did a fantastic job for us last year and this year. Please welcome Miss Joelle Martino.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, sing does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the brave and the home of the
Great job. Joelle Martino, one more big round of applause. What a great job she did for us there.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it one more time for today's Wings Up Blue Jumpers. On behalf of Lieutenant Colonel Nicholas Burke, commander of the 98th Flying Training Squadron, we hope you enjoyed today's demonstration. Thank you, and blue sky.